If you want to increase views for your TikTok videos, you can't miss this video. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Bao Tool Marketing's YouTube channel. Today's video I will guide you all on how to increase views for your videos completely automatically using my software. Go to my software and choose some basic settings. I will take my video link on TikTok and help it increase views. Get link address and check path to my video.
Hướng dẫn anh em lên cam.
After checking that it is the video I want to increase views for, we go back to the setup part in the software. Set up the number of accounts running at the same time, video viewing time. If needed, you can add tabs such as like, share, follow channels automatically, comment on the content you want to comment. Select the accounts you have in the software, then press start. The software will watch the video and increase views for you immediately. Let's follow them with me. If you are interested in this software, please contact me with the information I left below the description. Like and sub my channel to receive more useful information about automatic tools.